Hi, in this video I will show you a bug which I left it in the previous video. First I will go to the XML file and there I will show you. That was the bug, like the divider line. So the middle divider line is actually overlapping the tags layout. I fixed that runtime, like programmatically, but currently you can see in the XML file. Previously how I fixed that? Let me show you in the VCS Git. So previously I adding a chip to XML file and their visibility I make it invisible. So in that case the space will take place in the layout, but the view will not be visible to the user. But somehow runtime the divider line was overlapping when I remove any of the tags. Let me show you in the video so it will add more clarity what I am trying to say. So in the video I will go to the node detail screen. So there I will add a node. Now if I remove the node, the line as you can see is overlapping the tags layout. So that was the bug which was need to be fixed, but I fixed that runtime. So on runtime how I did that, let me show you in the code. So in the code, first thing I added as a two extension methods. One is dp to pixel and pixel to dp. So I use dp to pixel wrap content and also remove that the XML chip file from the chip group. Now it shows like this. So in layout it's overlapping, but runtime it fixed. And how I did that, let me show you. I will go to the node detail fragment. In the node detail fragment, as we can see, we have that method which is calling as soon as the view is created. So as the view is created, initially I am assigning their layout parameters dot height is equal to 40, then calling that extension method which converting the dp to pixel. So it's mean like we are assuming that 40 dp height, so that are actually converting to the pixel because we are assigning as an integer, so that is considering as a pixels. And so initially consider that we are assigning 40 dp, then coming to show add dialog where we are adding and removing text. As you can see in the XML file, the height is wrap content, but initially what we are doing is assigning 40 dp. That's because of the user don't see that overlapping. So that was the reason I initially assigned that height 40 pixel. So as soon as the user add any chip to the chip group, in that case I convert that 40 dp to wrap content. So in that case user can add many of the tags and it will take the height as according to the number of tags in the layout. Like for example, I will add multiple tags to the chip group. If I don't change to the wrap content and keep it as a 40 dp, then we will assume that we will not see many tags in that layout because the height will be restricted to that figure. Okay, so that line is changed. Then another line is, so if any of the tag is not existing, for example if the tag list size is equal to 0, that means the chip group is has no any tags left when user trying to remove all the tags. In that case I am assigning again that 40 dp to pixel. So that's how like I'm managing the runtime, adjusting the height. Now I will show you in the second video like how it fixed and how it's look like. I'm going to the add node detail screen, adding tags, then remove that. As you can see, the divider line is persistent, it's not overlapping with the tags layout.